Sino ba ang nagtayo ng Iglesia Katolika? Hindi ko kilala yung mga tao na yun, hindi pa ako buhay noon. Yang relihiyon na yan, hindi ko kilala yung mga taong nagtayo, hindi pa ako tao noon eh. 2,000 years ago. 2,000 years ago. 2,000 years ago.
Sundin po natin ang nakasulat sa Biblia, read the history books, and see. At hindi po ako yung gagawa noon, kundi si Father Darwin. Ito, ipapabasa nga natin kay Father Darwin yung mga referensya, mga kapatid.
The New Book of Knowledge, Volume 16, page 281. Roman Catholic Church. The history of the Roman Catholic Church began in upper room in Jerusalem. Almost 2,000 years ago. Gloria Universal Encyclopedia, Volume 5, page 106. Catholic Church, Greek Catholicos, Universal, General. Term generally applied to the divine society founded by Jesus Christ. And endowed by the outpouring of the Holy Ghost on the day of Pentecost. Encyclopedia International, Volume 15, page 520. Roman Catholic Church. There are two equally valid definitions of the Catholic Church, comparable to the twofold nature of Jesus Christ, its founder. Ang kasaysayan sa Pilipinas, the Philippines, a unique nation by Gregorio Saide and Sonia Saide, page 123. Christianity, Spain, greatest legacy. The greatest legacy of Spain to the Filipino people is Christianity. Especially the Roman Catholic religion. Strangely, this religion was Asian in origin, being founded by Jesus Christ in Palestine. Young Student Learning Encyclopedia, page 2684. Roman Catholic Church, for the first 1,000 years after the death of Jesus Christ, all Christians were members of one religion, Christianity. There are no separate sects or branches of Christianity as there are today. The word Catholic means universal. For those first 1,000 years, all Christians were members of the Catholic Church. The Religion's Book, page 334, the Roman Catholic Church is the original. The Roman Catholic Church is the original. The Roman Catholic Church is the original. Ano sa to? The original. And still the largest Christian church. Merriam-Webster Elementary Dictionary, copyright 1984, page 79. Roman Catholic Church, a member of a Christian church, tracing its history back to the apostles.
Yan, maraming salamat Father Darwin, at binasa naman niya yung Merriam-Webster's Elementary Dictionary sa pahina 79. Ang sinasabi dito, Catholic, a member of a Christian church, tracing its history back to the apostles. Klarong-klaro mga kababayan, ibig sabihin yung mga apostol pala ay mga Katoliko, miyembro ng Iglesia Katolika na siyang Christian Church ayon po sa diksionaryong ito mga kababayan. Kaya ayon po sa Aklat Kasaysayan, ang mga unang Kristiyano ay miyembro ng Iglesia Katolika mga kababayan.